Be there for me, I'll be your one and only. It's on me, it's on me. Our love and it goes so deep. I won't make you feel lonely. I'll give you something holy. It's lovely, it's lovely. Will you come for me? If I ask you, baby, will you set me free?
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
That's not much to say.
Chris, you can't walk. I still have my 2 foot them. So much gentleman.
Make sure to say alright, you know.
I'm pregnant, I'm not handicapped. Yeah, but you couldn't tell me say that would like a fancy restaurant I can so I can put some heels on for come out to herself.
You're not talking about ease, babe. You don't know, say you don't feel weird and thing right now.
But so into the 1960s, sir. I have a nice pair which I could wear.
I know, yeah. But I just want to make sure that everything good. You have extra security. My order curry. You know you like it. That alright with you?
Curry with our chicken.
Goat.
Okay.
Alright, I'm glad you like it. Because I know your food chain change. So, I'm going to tell them say, you can't get ready now, yeah?
I still have to breathe again. And then out on a day with a bone, yeah, my baby father, nice clean skin boy, want to some girl. Much nice. Yes, baby?
Then say it's ready in the next 10 minutes.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Nice clean skin, man. Watch out. Yeah, but where the place there? It's a lot of bars.
Yeah, babe. I have some consume because the food really good. And the best place to celebrate. So, who we can take? Because you don't know if we have baby shower and all of this.
Sir, calm down. Please, I beg. Okay, at least have the food first.
But babe, that's a part of the reason why we're there. Because more have this meet, the whole other reason here. In private.
Okay, babe, I get it. I know you're excited. But you can at least wait for the first 3 months for perhaps before we tell nobody.
Alright, so that means they reach 2 months. So we have 4 more weeks to 3 months. So here, man. I make a flyer.
No fly around here, no ginger, okay? Alright, let me tell you what we are going to do. You are going to tell the very few persons to you who are very close. And I will tell the very few persons who are close to me. Well, in the next 6 months, we'll have our baby shower. Notice, baby shower. That's a full bath. A shower. Alright, Mr. Water Commissioner Star?
Alright, no problem. So, your father know?
What's that? Do you know who my father is?
Yeah. You should know. Let me ask you something. Tony know?
Well, she suspects something. I'm gonna tell her now. Why you ask?
Because she know about the car before me. So I wonder if she know about the baby before me too.
Come on now, Chris. Kiara is very different and very far from Woody.
Why do you think she suspects so?
Tell me that eat Bigfoot and ketchup.
Oh, that looks suspicious.
Plus, me not get miserable too. If one of them does it. As you should know.
Not to mention, say you call me if you bring her home, And you did drive.
So you still not feelings about that time? No, you're supposed to have the bag of arm on them. Come ask you a question. This is the problem if I have a car and come ask you to come pick me up.
I never said that. And please, I better start. But we in our nice restaurant.
Oh? I'm just a check. Why not nice with you? You can't even get one nice glass of champagne.
Listen, babe. You see, after I have the baby, you can drink all the alcohol you want. But for now, no.
Well, why you? You're not the mother already.
The next thing is, as it relates to your work, you know you have to take some time off soon, right?
Time off? Like what kind of time it's about? Like a little 1 week? A little 3 days?
No, babe. I mean, like, maternity leave.
Baby, calm down, yeah? Listen, you see, as long as I'm able to work, I'm at all 60, I shall be working until I'm on that hospital bed and be able to come out of mine. Okay? Maternity leave is after. Alright?
Oh, but remember you say you can't stand up too long and know why you're paying for too long and nothing gonna happen.
Baby, calm down, alright? My buy one store, some me have alright. I'll be sitting.
So what to the chemical thing you may have put in your ear?
You can wear a mask.
So it's easy if you stop your breath all the time. You know, really do.
Baby, we wear a mask for 2 years and I'm still here. Okay, come on.
Yeah, but them time they are pandemic. You never pregnant them time they.
Baby, what are we here? We're here to have lunch and to celebrate. Now that's what he's saying.
Yeah, babe. But you have to understand, say, at first we really have go through that something.
First, so on to destiny.
Babe, you know that story. I'm married the girl to another man. So, we never get a chance to interact with her through the pregnancy.
Fair enough. But babe, just remember say the 2-week this meeting, alright? So you'll go through it step by step. And please, I'm not fragile, I'm not egg.
Alright. Anything we don't know, I just ask Shepherd for advice.
As long as you know say, when the baby born, are we say.
Yeah, of course. But you don't know, say sometimes I have to send them to look for the grandparents. You know, them have to learn from the elders.
But it's going to have to be supervised because he already sound like he want to take over.